What's up, guys? My name is Rahul Shetty, and I'm here to help you with full body workout with weights. These 5 handpicked workout movements will give you an exciting and challenging workout, and it can be done with just a pair of dumbbells, which means you can do this even at home by just having a yoga mat. Are you ready to get started? Follow along with these workout movements, and I'll make sure that you feel amazing at the end of it. All these movements will be performed for 30 good seconds, and you will get 30 seconds rest in between. Alright, so the first movement is going to be your weighted squat. So you just need to have a pair of dumbbell. Weighted squat, you're going to rack the weight on your shoulders. Yeah, starting from here, you're going to place your feet shoulder width stance, comfortable stance. From here, you're going to take your hip back, squat with good range, come up, squeeze your quads and squeeze your glutes. Alright, you can perform them for 30 seconds. If you want to scale it down, you can just do the body weight workout. Yeah, starting in 3, 2, 1, let's go. For 30 seconds, keep going. For stronger lower body, weighted squats, right? With just a pair of dumbbell, getting a solid full body workout here. Keep moving. Getting as many reps as possible. Keep your chest up, your chin up. Try not to drop your upper body forward. Control the movement. And one more rep, we are done. Whew. We are done with the first movement, which was weighted squats. Now let's move on to the second movement, which is weighted rowing, which is going to target your upper body for stronger back, right? So you're going to pick the weight up, take that 30-second break. You can just relax. You can watch me performing this movement, the second movement, which is weighted rows. Place your feet just below your hip. You're going to hinge at your hip, keeping your knees bent. The weight stays just in front of your knees. From here, you're going to pull the weight all the way up, close to your rib, keeping your elbows tucked in, and then you're going to drop the weight low by extending your elbows. Alright, you will perform them for 30 seconds and you get 30-second break. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hinge at your hip, weight in front of your knees, pull the weight all the way up, drop it down, and keep going. Use your lats to pull the weight up. As you keep performing them, squeeze your upper back, drop the weight low, right? Keep moving for 30 seconds. Work on that form, work on that stance. Keep your spine straight, do not round your back. And we are done. Whew. Drop the weight on the floor and you get that 30-second break. We are done with 2 powerful movements with those pair of 10 kilo weights. Moving on to the third movement, we have dumbbell deadlifts, alright? Starting from here, you're going to place your feet just below your hip width stance. From here, you're going to hinge at your hip by moving the weight close to your body. Bring the dumbbell close to your mid shin, come up, stand up tall. Alright, you will perform them for 30 good seconds, targeting your hamstring, your lower back, your core. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, shoulders rolling back. From here, move the weight close to your body. Remember, go all the way down. Get that nice stretch on your hamstring. Come up, squeeze your glutes. Keep going for 30 seconds. Do not lift your toes. Do not lift your heel while performing this movement. A nice hinge at your hip. Try not to round your back. Keep going. Slow and nice. Focus on that muscle engagement here. And we are done. Whew. We are done with 3 movements. We have 2 more movements to go. Building stronger body here. Stronger you, stronger me, right? Moving on to the 4th movement, we have shoulder press. Starting from here, you're going to rack the weight on your shoulders. Keep your elbows low. From here, you're going to press the weight over your head, keeping your upper arm close to your ears. Drop it back on your shoulders. You will be performing them for 30 good seconds. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Rack the weight on your shoulders and let's go. 1. Drop it back on your shoulders. 2. For 30 seconds, just focus on that form while you're performing them. Try not to take the weight behind your head or forward, right over your head, right? Keep going. The points of performance so that the right muscle is engaging, right? If you want to scale this movement down, you can dip your hip down and drive the weight over your head. And we are done. We are done with 4 powerful movements, having a pair of 10 kilo dumbbell, right? We are almost at the end of a workout. I hope you're enjoying this and sweating it out. If you're looking for more quick and easy home workouts or even more challenging ones, you can check out the CultFit app, where we have some great workouts that are aired live on Cult Live. You can work out with cult trainers like me, who will guide you through your fitness journey. And if you use the link in the description or the first comment below, you can access 14 free workout live sessions. But now, let's get back to our workout, which is the final movement, weighted sit-ups. You will just use one dumbbell here to perform this movement, alright? You're going to hold the head of the dumbbell. You're going to lie down on your back, bring your feet close to your hip. From here, you're going to lift your upper body up, crunch your core, and go back on the ground. Alright? Try not to bring your chin close to your chest while performing. Use more of your midsection to perform the movement. Yeah? We will perform them for 30 good seconds, like always we did for last 4 movements. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep going. Since you're holding the weight, there is a lot of tension on your shoulders as well, but which is completely fine. You're building stronger shoulders as well. Keep moving. For 30 seconds, do not bring your chin close to your chest. Maintain the distance while performing. Keep going. You can keep your elbows softly bent, and also you can perform them. Yeah? And we are done. Whew. What a great workout. 5 movement which targeted your full body, right? Awesome. That was intense, right? If you enjoyed this workout, add it to your personal playlist and save it for later. You can do this 4 to 5 times a week for a month. If you want to make it more challenging, you can do the same 5 movements of 4 to 5 rounds of this entire routine, right? This will help you burn more calories and get you leaner and stronger. Leave a comment and tell us how you found this workout, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more. Don't forget to like this video, share it across with your friends and family, and save this video to your personal playlist. For more exciting workouts, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Cheers and stay fit.